ఒక్కదాంది నా ఒక్కదాంది మేము మట్టింటిని ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన వరకే వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఈ ఇంట్లో మాకు అన్ని సదుపాయాలు జరుగుతున్నవి మాకు మంచిగా ఉంది ఇప్పటికి మేము మంచిగా ఉన్నాం ఇప్పటికి
Today, Bhartiyamma is the proud owner of a fine disaster resilient home. It's a home she's constructed herself, brick by brick. But the memories of the past often haunt her days.
धूल भरी आंधी चल रही है
लेकिन 10 बजे तक कैसे हवा आया जो हमारा घर हिलने लगा
सब चीज ऐसे बर्बाद हो
सब नुकसान हो गया
In 2013, Cyclone Phyllon struck the coastline of Odisha at 220 kilometers per hour. It destroyed in its path thousands of fragile human settlements that were defenseless against this mighty natural disaster.
Many houses were damaged, especially of the economically weaker sections and mostly fishermen. And it was a conscious decision of the government to immediately provide them long-term rehabilitation with cyclone-resistant houses.
The government of Odisha drew upon the expertise and global experience of the World Bank to rebuild the homes and lives of these fishing communities. To realize the housing project on ground, a local implementation partner was identified. Gram Vikas chose a wholly community-driven approach to seed a sense of ownership of the homes. But the beneficiaries were fishermen, so had no construction skills.
We started with masons training, taking the local youths and some of the beneficiaries also, including women, for mason, so that they could contribute for their own house.
The project team provided their unique developmental expertise to inform, educate, and train the rural community. Very rapidly, they transformed the villagers into active implementing partners in the project.
2000, both men and women received the training, and after the finish of the training, 2 months, 3 months, they were directly engaged and helped to the ODRP project, particularly in construction work.
మేము మీరు ఇచ్చే పనికి వెళ్ళాము కదా గవర్నమెంట్ పనికి దాంట్లో కొద్దిగా ట్రైనింగ్ నేర్చుకున్నాము దానివల్ల ఈ ఇంటికి పనులు మేము చేసుకున్నాము కొద్దిగా ఎక్కడెక్కడ రిపేరింగ్లు అయినవి అన్నీ మేము చేసుకున్నాము ఒక మేస్త్రి పట్టుకొని మేము నేర్చిన పనితో ఇవి నేర్చుకొని కట్టుకున్నాము మా ఇల్లు మేము.
With a newfound army of masons in every village, 140 relocation sites were accomplished in a record 2.5 years. The know-how and skills acquired from the training helped develop alternative careers for the otherwise fishing community. The equitable role in planning and implementation gave the local women the confidence to hold their own in society.
Now, both men and women, they are sitting together, they are discussing together, jointly they are taking decisions.
These habitations have become model villages. Each house is a robust, disaster-resilient structure with a toilet annexed to it. Common amenities are self-managed by village water and sanitation committees. Women's self-help groups actively create awareness about issues and bind people together.
आमे जो पाखर थाइगिरी सेमान को काम बतौछु जो निजे थाइगिरी करूछु आमटी भलो लागुची ना आमे जो महिला संघ ग्रुप हेकिर आमे बुझे पारछु काम करे पारछु सेमान को जे पिलन स्कूल भी जाउ नांत आमे पाखर थाइगिरी बुझे स्कूल पठौचंदु आमको भलो लागुची बहुत खुशी लागुची.
The project sowed the seeds of change. It cultivated a community of confident and effective change leaders who took pride in making a difference.
This is one of the miracle changes and substantial witness of this project.
And this has brought in so much of cohesion in the community. Now they are sitting together, deliberating about their various issues, and as a community, they are well prepared to meet the challenges of nature.
The empowerment of the community triggered a remarkable chain of events. Collectively, the villagers found solutions to their toughest social, cultural, and environmental challenges. This was a project they truly owned. That was for the people and by the people themselves.